Hello everyone, my name is Mohit and you are watching Cassandra series. So in this video we are going to do three things. First UUID, second is time UUID and third counter. So let's start with UUID. So what is WID? The WID is a universal unique ID and it is 28-bit long to avoid the collisions in the column name. And alternatively, you can use time UUID, which is same, but that is based upon the this one is based upon the time. Now let's see the use of WID. So here we have some key spaces like wisdom. So I am taking the wisdom for my experiment purpose. So I'm creating a table here. Create table emp1. In the emp1, I'm using first name as a text, last as a text, and ID here, which is a type of UUID. So this is a schema of table. Okay, so select the primary key, this one, primary key. AMP1 is already exist. Okay, so use AMP10. Okay, so now we have created a table. So you can see DESC describe table name is AMP1. So this is a schema for the table one. So now it's time to insert. Let's see how we can insert. What are the different way to insert the value if I'm using UUID? Let's see. Insert into EMP10 ID first last into sorry, it's value, should be value, values. So I'm giving some name like Mohit Raj. So okay, but I need to insert WID. For that I'm using the function UUID here. So no error means value has been inserted, so the record has been inserted. So I'm creating one more record, that is I think I should use some other name, Sahil Sharma. Working fine. I'm using another name, Nitin Shalke. Done. So now let's see the values. Select star from EMP10. So these are the values, and this is 128 bits and first name and last name. So this is a primary key here. You can see first key and this first ID and second ID completely, both are completely different. Both are completely different. Consider if try to create a UID manually. So we need to use a unique UID. So I'm changing just last digit 4. It's okay. It's working fine. And if you want to see, you can see Nitin Shalke is again repeated here. Okay, but consider you can see Nitin Shalke repeated 2 times. I can use that key again. I'm using that key again and changing the name Sanjeev Rao. No error. It's working absolutely fine if you see. So now this 34 is becoming the Sanjeev Rao instead of Nitin Shalke. Because if we use the same key again, Cassandra is not showing any error, but it is replacing the old value to the new value. So please always make sure if you are using manually, It should not be the same we have done as we you are using the previous one. Okay, so better to use always this function, UUID function. So now let's see how to use the time UID. I'm going to create a new function, I'm going to create a new table, employee 12. You can see here this time I'm using the time UID, primary key, first name text and last name text. Created. Now it's time for the insertion. Insert into employee 10. Here ID first, FRST first, last values ID. It should be now here to create the time UID automatically. First, I'm taking a name like my name, Mohit. So it should be the single quote, not double quote. Okay, great. Just change the name here. Sanjeev Rao. Working fine. Select star from EMP12. So working fine. Consider if I want to insert different thing. So you can see here up to this level, both key are same. Both keys are same. Okay, because I am using the time now I'm using now, and both the keys are made in same time around. That's why both are same up to some extent, not completely same. Okay, consider if I use here UUID. So it is showing me error. Okay, it is showing me error. So if I use here this one, this key again, with little bit changes, consider I'm writing here 8, working fine. It is working fine. I can give the manually, but I cannot use here UUID. But if you see the previous table of employee 10, select star from EMP10. Now I can give, consider employee 10 where I have set ID equal to UUID. In the employee 10 where I have used ID means UUID data type, here I can use time means I can use now here. So means if you are using the UUID equal to UUID, you can use now, and you can also use UUID. Both you can use if you set ID equal to UUID. Okay. I hope you got the sense of where to use UUID and where to use time UID. So this is generic thing. UUID is a generic thing where you can use now also, you can also use the UUID. Both you can use. Simple. So now let's see the counter. The last thing is counter. Now let's see the counter. Counter is a data type in Cassandra. The counter column can only store a special column used to store the numbers that can be increment or decrement. So for example, you might use a counter column to count the number of times a page has been viewed or is viewed. A counter can only contain the primary key. Counter column can only contain a primary key. So let's see the example. Create table count1. So I'm creating a table count1 where I'm using id equal to int, which is the primary key, and counter uh, popularity. So I'm just using a pop for popularity, and type is counter. Table done. Now let's insert the value. So we cannot insert the value, the counter table on, we can only update the counter table. We cannot insert. So I'm updating it. Update count 1 set pop equal to pop plus 1, where id equal to 1. Select star from count 1. 1 equal to 1, id equal to 10. So now you can see id of 10 became 2 because I have executed this one 2 times. That's why 2. So in this way we can use count. You can also use UUID here in order to make the table. So I'm making a new table here, count 2, and here I'm using UUID. Now you can insert where id equal to time now. Okay, you can use now here. Time now assistant result. Okay, okay. The table name is should be the count 2. Sorry again. Sorry for that again. Yeah, working fine. Let's see the table. It should be count 2, not count 1. Yeah, working fine. So I can use same ID again. Now I have an ID. I can use that ID to increment the previous number, where ID equal to this one without quotes. Please remember without quotes. Working fine, and you can see done. So in this way we can use UUID, time UUID and counter. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.